What if you could earn $10,000 a month without having to put in any effort? The goal of passive income is this, but the majority of advice is false. This video outlines the 3 authentic, tried and true routes to get there, as well as the one easy step you can take right now. Greetings from Monetive. The main goal of this channel is to provide you with straightforward, unadulterated financial facts. We don't offer get-rich-quick schemes or secrets. We simply explain the true nature of money so you can make better decisions and accumulate genuine wealth for the future. I have a very important warning for you before we continue. This is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. This video is only meant to be entertaining and educational. You run the risk of losing money on any investment. Before spending your money on anything, please always conduct your own research. Let's face it, the math is a mess. You need a sizable asset working for you in order to earn $10,000 per month without working. For instance, you would receive $10,000 per month if your $3 million investment yielded a 4% return. That's the truth. The alternative is to invest years in creating a digital asset, such as this YouTube channel, which takes a very long time before it generates revenue. No magic trick exists. You need a lot of time to build, or a lot of money to start. Let's now examine the 3 most successful strategies. Strategy 1 is the investor's path. Investors take the first route. Here's where you use the money you already have to generate additional revenue. You invest it in assets that pay you consistently simply for owning them, such as dividends, stocks, or bonds. The main benefit is that, once configured, it is actually passive. The major drawback is that starting costs a lot of money. As we saw, for instance, you may need to save millions of dollars in order to reach that significant $1,000 target. Additionally, because markets fluctuate, your money is never completely secure. Strategy 2 is the creator's path. Creators follow the second route, which is precisely what I'm doing with this channel. This path requires your time and effort rather than a lot of money. You create something online, such as a blog, a YouTube channel, or a digital goods store. The low initial cost is a major benefit. The main drawback is that it takes years or more of upfront labor before it generates any real revenue. Building an asset that will pay you later is the aim, but it's not passive at first. Strategy 3 is the architect's path. Architects can take the third route. You create a single, repeatable product. Writing an ebook, developing an online course, or designing practical software are examples of this. The main benefit is that you only need to put in the effort to create it once, and it will continue to generate income for years to come. The drawback is that creating something good requires a lot of skill, and you still need to figure out how to get people to see it. It's an effective strategy for growing your revenue. The hybrid approach and your first step. What is the correct course of action then? In actuality, most people mix them to achieve success. One option is to work a regular job to save money for investments, path 1, and use your leisure time to create a YouTube channel. 2. That will eventually aid in the sale of a digital product, path 3. The most important takeaway. Making $10,000 is not your objective for today. You want to earn $1. Next, $10, then $100. The scale is different, but the system remains the same. Do this one thing for yourself. If this candid analysis was useful, click the bell icon and subscribe button. It helps you learn more about finance and is free. Together, let's construct your future one wise move at a time.